Hello viewers, in this video we will know how Flutter and Dart used to compile the mobile applications. So hope you have checked my previous videos on what is Flutter and what is Dart. So if you have not checked these videos, then it is also okay, we will discuss in this video also. This is a very short video, so let's get started. So before starting the video, let me tell you that you can also hire us on Fiverr. Just send a message on Fiverr that you are coming from the YouTube channel, then you can also get the discount on this price also. So let's get a brief introduction of what is Flutter and what is Dart. So Flutter is a tool that allows you to build the cross-platform apps with one language only. So what is Dart? Dart is also the programming language that we use in the Flutter mobile development course. This is also the object-oriented language and it is used to build the front end of the mobile applications. You can check the previous videos on this topic also. So this is the main content of this video, that the Dart code is converted to the native code for iOS and native code for the Android using the Flutter SDK. What is SDK? SDK is the software development kit that is used to compile the Dart code into the native code for the iOS and for the Android. So the native code is the highly optimized code, that is the compiled version of the code. So Flutter provides you the high performance because Flutter directly control each pixel on the screen. So that's why the Flutter provides you a lot of control and a lot of flexibility. So till now you don't care too much on this step, but you should know how it works and how Flutter creates the application for both iOS and Android. So Flutter gives you much control and less limitation. Either limitation is the code limitation or the platform limitation. So because of this you have much control on your code to build the beautiful applications. So this is the end of the video. This is a very short video. Hope you will enjoy this course. So like this video and subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, write the question in the comment box. We will definitely answer your question immediately.